My fellow Jamaicans at home and in the diaspora, today we stand united, not just here at home, but across the globe where our vibrant diaspora proudly gathers to celebrate our independence. 62 years ago, our forebears embarked on a journey of self-determination and hope, aspiring to create a resilient and strong nation capable of shaping its destiny with courage and conviction. As we reflect on that historic moment of August 6, 1962, we honor the vision and sacrifices of those who labored before us. Their enduring dreams outlived their lifetimes and laid the foundation for subsequent generations. Our nation stands as a testament of those dreams and aspirations, evidenced by our thriving industries, advancements in education and healthcare, and the continuous flourishing of our cultural heritage. These accomplishments are the fruits of their labor and the dreams realized. Our strength lies in our people, in their indomitable spirit, creativity, and resilience. These attributes continue to propel us forward, transforming obstacles into opportunities and dreams into realities. Our journey, however, has not been without its challenges. We have faced storms, both literal and metaphorical, but each time we rise, more determined and united. The recent passage of Hurricane Beryl has left lingering effects which have been worse for some than for others. Our people, both locally and in the diaspora, are rallying around those affected, offering support in these challenging times. That is the true spirit of Jamaica, and for this we say thank you. Our world is evolving, providing opportunities for our nation to develop even further. We must embrace the possibilities of technology, sustainable development, and global partnerships with the same fervor and determination that marked our independence in 1962. Our priority must be to innovate, educate, and build a society where every citizen can thrive. We are immensely grateful to our Olympians who continue to make us proud on the world stage. You are the true definition of we little, but we tall. All the best in the days ahead, and know that you have the unwavering support of a proud nation. Together, let us forge forward in a way that honors our past and capitalizes on the possibilities available to us. Let us continue to build a strong nation that remains a beacon of hope, progress, and unity for all. Happy Independence, and may God bless you, and may God bless Jamaica, land we love.